Hi, my name is Romano Roth and today we are going to look at the 3 ways how to introduce DevOps. In my previous video, I showed you the first way and the second way how to introduce DevOps. Today, in this video, we are going to look at the third way to introduce DevOps. Let's quickly recap the previous videos. In my previous videos, I showed you the first way to introduce DevOps, which was get value as fast as possible from development or from business into production to the customer or to operation. The second way how to introduce DevOps was get feedback as fast as possible from the customer side or from the production to development and business. The third way how to introduce DevOps is to establish a learning culture, a culture of constant learning and constant improvement. The goal which we have for such a system is that we have a safe system where we can learn, where we can improve. And for that, we need to establish a high trust culture where we trust each other and where it is safe for us to learn and to improve. And the second goal is to establish that system where we can take risks and where we can also experiment. Because now we have a system where we can push value as fast as possible into production and get feedback from production. And when we want to take risks and experiment, we need to share the risks between each other, and also we need to have a system where failure is not something evil, where failure is something good, where we can learn from it. So failures triggers an inquiry where we learn from these failures. And as just said, the third goal which we have is to learn fast. We want to have a system where we can learn fast, and for that we need to have an organizational learning. So the whole organization needs to learn, constantly learn from this system which we have built up. So the third way is to establish a system where we can constantly learn and improve ourselves. So recap, the first way to introduce DevOps was get value as fast as possible from development or from business into production to the customer side or to operation. Then the second way was to get feedback as fast as possible from production, from the customer side back to development and business. And the third way is to establish a system of constant learning, of a constant improvement. These are the 3 ways how you can introduce DevOps.